Henry 3002. I just finished single sideband position, 4,000 volts on the plate, bird watt meter, 2,500 watt slug into a 1,500 watt dummy load, and a 50 watt slug on the input. Put this thing in operate mode here, which it already is. We'll key it with a clip lead. It's about 175, 180 mils of resting plate current. Here's the input, about 37 watts. There's plate current and high voltage. There's the output. And let me flip this back to grid. And again, plate current and grid current. Output power, input power. And the grid is not moving around at all. I'll key this thing again.